How to clean junk files on your Windows PC to free up storage space, remove temporary files, and improve overall performance. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Select System, then open Storage. Here, you'll see how your storage space is being used. Click Temporary Files, select items like Temporary Files, System Cache, and the Recycle Bin if you no longer need its contents, then click Remove Files. This safely deletes unnecessary files and frees up disk space. Next, press Windows plus S, search for Disk Cleanup, and open it. Choose your system drive, usually the C drive, then click OK. After Windows finishes scanning, select options such as temporary internet files, temporary files, thumbnails, and any other unnecessary items, then click OK followed by Delete Files. Now, head back to Settings, then System and Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Open its settings and choose how often Windows should automatically clean temporary files and recycle bin items. This helps keep your storage optimized without any extra effort. If you're still running low on space, go to Settings, then Apps, and open Installed Apps. Find programs you no longer use and uninstall them to recover additional storage. Finally, don't forget to empty the recycle bin. Simply right-click it on your desktop and select Empty Recycle Bin. And that's it! Your Windows PC should now have more free storage and run more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Windows tips and step-by-step how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.